All right. All right. It's starting to look like a house now. Now they kind of got ahead of me. So they're moving right along. You can see that one little stake with a red flag on it. There's one at each corner. And that's where they used a transit to put the form boards exactly where the home's going to be and make sure that they are level. So that's all done. And then they start digging the ditches and laying the pipe for the plumbing, which, as you can see, they've already started. They use the just simple method of using string, and they know that those pipes have to go so far off of each boundary. Then they dig what's called a footer. These things have to be 12, at least 12 inches under what they call virgin or undisturbed ground. On the coast, they have to go much further than that, like 24 inches, what they call high velocity hurricane zones. But that's one of the nice things about Winter Haven in Central Florida. We're out of those zones. Um, Once they get all the plumbing in, which it looks like they are, because now they've started digging the footers, and they normally don't do that beforehand. They're going to dig those footers and then put some rebar. The supplies are already here. They're up there in front of the Jeep that you just saw. But, there's your living room. There's your porch. That's going to be your master bedroom. There's the supplies. They've got some visqueen. This rebar they're going to put in there. We want to make sure that they tie these well. They're going to go on, they're going to dig those ditches, put these chairs, what they call rebar chairs. So the rebar is suspended up in the air, and then they tie them together. We want to make sure that's done well so it doesn't shift. And then the next step is leveling everything off, spraying it with termite stuff, and putting that visqueen over. And then they'll start pouring concrete. And that's it. So, starting to look like a home. This is Dave Westfall, your Florida Home Guide.